Patrick at Pals, Camaro. Been around for a long time. Dylan, why is this one here?
Had some timing codes.
Okay, so you're going to replace the timing chains on it?
Already have.
Wow, these are the new chains.
New chains, old chains are to your left.
Okay. Oh, here's the old chains. Ready to go.
This bank was stretched out compared to this bank.
So what did that cause the car to do? Misfire?
Run like crap at full load.
So we're going to put in new timing chains. Now, how many miles are on this car?
150 some, I believe.
150,000 miles. We put on the new chains. The customer will probably get another 150,000 miles out of the car.
That's for sure.
That's a lot less expensive than buying a new car. And when you look at this vehicle, it looks real good. No need to replace it. If you've got a Camaro and it's got timing chain issues, bring it to Pals. See you soon.